Industrial kitchen lighting ideas with vintage fixtures. Industrial kitchen aesthetic has become increasingly popular due to its blend of functionality, raw materials, and minimalist style. One of the most striking ways to enhance this look is through the use of vintage lighting fixtures. Vintage fixtures not only offer character and charm, but also embody the industrial design ethos of form meets function. Here are some creative ways to incorporate vintage fixtures into an industrial kitchen to achieve the perfect blend of utility and style. 1. Pendant lights with exposed bulbs. One of the most iconic elements of industrial design is the exposed light bulb, offering an immediate throwback to early industrial spaces like factories and warehouses. Pairing these bulbs with a vintage metal or glass pendant light fixture adds warmth to the kitchen while maintaining that minimalist industrial edge. Consider hanging a series of pendant lights above the kitchen island or dining area. Choose metal shades in distressed finishes like aged copper, brushed steel, or antique brass to create a retro, utilitarian look. Opt for oversized Edison bulbs to enhance the old-world charm and provide ample, atmospheric lighting. Tip: use dimmable LED Edison-style bulbs to maintain the look while saving energy and extending bulb life. 2. Cage lights for an industrial edge. For a truly vintage industrial look, cage lights are an excellent choice. These lights often feature metal cages around exposed bulbs, evoking memories of early 20th century factories and workshops. Cage lights not only add a rugged, functional touch to the kitchen but also offer protection for the bulbs, fitting the industrial theme of durability. Hang cage lights over prep spaces or alongside open shelving to give your kitchen a utilitarian flair. Black or iron finishes are popular choices for an authentic industrial feel. Mixing cage lights with other metal accessories like open shelving brackets or metal stools can tie the entire look together. 3. Gooseneck sconces for task lighting. If your industrial kitchen includes practical workspaces like a prep station, sink area, or a countertop where detailed work happens, consider installing gooseneck sconces. These vintage fixtures offer both form and function, with their adjustable necks allowing for focused, direct light where it's needed most. Gooseneck sconces in finishes like matte black, aged brass, or weathered zinc pair well with exposed brick walls or reclaimed wood accents, commonly seen in industrial-style kitchens. They also serve as an excellent decorative piece above open shelving, adding both task lighting and vintage charm to the space. 4. Metal chandeliers for a bold statement. If you want to add a dramatic touch to your industrial kitchen, consider a metal chandelier with vintage elements. Choose a fixture with multiple arms, exposed bulbs, and an antiqued metal finish to bring a retro touch to the space. These chandeliers are perfect for open-plan kitchens with high ceilings, as they create a focal point that anchors the room. A vintage-inspired chandelier can pair beautifully with wooden beams, concrete countertops, or other industrial materials. Opt for darker metal finishes, such as oil-rubbed bronze or patina-coated steel to enhance the industrial feel, or choose polished brass for a more eclectic, mixed-style approach. 5. Factory-style fixtures with adjustable arms. Another hallmark of industrial lighting is the adjustable arm fixture. Originating from factories and workspaces where flexibility was key, these fixtures allow you to control the direction of light, making them perfect for task lighting in the kitchen. Look for vintage-style factory fixtures with long, adjustable arms. These lights can be mounted above a kitchen island, alongside cabinetry, or even as wall-mounted sconces to provide both functionality and an authentic industrial look. Aged metal finishes like nickel, brass, or copper will enhance the vintage feel. 6. Repurpose fixtures for a unique look. To truly embrace the vintage industrial aesthetic, consider using repurposed lighting fixtures. Scour antique shops or salvage yards for old factory lights, ship lighting, or even barn-style pendants that can be rewired and installed in your kitchen. These one-of-a-kind pieces add character and individuality, making your kitchen lighting both functional and uniquely yours. Repurposing fixtures not only supports sustainability, but also adds an element of history to your kitchen. Look for enamel shades, brass fittings, or iron frames that have aged gracefully. Incorporating these unique pieces will ensure that your industrial kitchen lighting stands out. 7. Track lighting with a vintage twist. If you need flexible lighting in your industrial kitchen, consider vintage-style track lighting. Track lighting allows for customizable light placement, which is especially useful in open-plan kitchens where you may need to spotlight different areas for various tasks. Choose track lighting systems that have a vintage look, with metal tracks and old-school style lamps. Opt for industrial materials like blackened steel or antique bronze for the track itself. Vintage track lighting can be paired with other fixtures, such as pendant lights or sconces, to create a cohesive lighting plan that offers both style and practicality. 8. Vintage lanterns for soft ambient light. Vintage lantern-style fixtures offer a softer take on industrial kitchen lighting while still evoking the look of early factory lights. These fixtures often feature glass shades encased in metal, providing a diffused glow that softens the hard edges of industrial design. Lanterns can be hung in clusters over a dining table or as individual pieces in smaller spaces. Their vintage appeal works particularly well in kitchens that blend industrial style with rustic or farmhouse elements, creating a cozy yet functional atmosphere. Conclusion: industrial kitchens are all about blending style with function, and vintage lighting fixtures are the perfect way to add personality and warmth to this aesthetic. From exposed bulbs and cage lights to factory-inspired fixtures, these lighting ideas can help you create a kitchen that feels both nostalgic and cutting-edge. By selecting the right vintage fixtures and finishes, you'll achieve a cohesive look that brings history, charm, and plenty of light to your space.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.